Good afternoon, Roadrunner parents and community. Miss Brewer here. Just wanted to take a few minutes to talk to you a little bit about how the best way to stay connected next school year. So last year we started moving towards more digital forms of communication. Just want to make sure everybody knows what those are and how to access them. So the first thing we're going to do, I'm going to show you that all of these forms of communication are located on our webpage. So if you go to our Roadrunner Elementary webpage, down here along the right, there are tabs right along the right here of our most frequently used links. Okay, and so the forms of communication we use the most are located right in here. So we're going to start right here with MUSD Connection. This one will get you connected to your parent view, and once you are in parent view, you have access to your child's grades, their report cards, health office visits, attendance, and most recently, we have added the feature that you can update their registration online. So instead of those big first day packets that you get to update registration, we will now be doing that through a parent view. So many of you have received the email that you need to get that going. So I want to make sure everybody knows what that is and how to get to it. So if you get to our webpage, you can just click on MUSD Connection. And once you get here, you are a parent. So you just want to click on I am a parent. And you're going to get one of two screens. I get the login screen because I already have an account. Now, if you get to this screen and there's a login, that means you set up an account. And many times we're finding that families have set up an account, but they don't remember their username and password. If you give us a call, we can give you your username and then talk to or explain to you how to reset your password so that you can get your account current again. The other screen you may get will ask you for an activation key. And if you need your activation key, please call us. We would be happy to get you that as well to help you get set up with your account. Once you have that information, the system is pretty user-friendly and will walk you through the different things, the different features in there, and how to update registration for the current school year. We head back over to our web page over here. The next tab I'm going to show you is our Facebook. Now I'm not going to click on Facebook because most of you have used Facebook, but I do want to let you know that we do use Facebook for different forms of communication. So Facebook is oftentimes used for student celebrations. So we'll share awards, we'll share great things happening on our campus. We do keep our events updated in there, so we put event dates and times also in our Facebook page. So if you like us and follow us on Facebook, you can keep up on all of the current news and successes and celebrations here at Roadrunner. The one at the very bottom says Roadrunner Reader. This is what we use for Tuesday Newsday and other school news. So I am going to click here and show you that. Here is our Roadrunner Reader page. You can see the nice thing about this page is it's actually a blog post. So when we have this up on here, we have lots of different features that we can add. So it's not just the Tuesday Newsday. We've been able to add different features to support our parents with communication. So you can see the last article I put in here was recognizing our April and May kind kids, and this one I actually linked to our Facebook page too. Not all of them get linked to Facebook. Only those ones that are celebrations that we want the whole community to know about. Over here on the right, some things that you should be aware of. Our Roadrunner calendar is posted in here, and we keep this updated for the entire school year. So right now you could click on this, you could find out when fall break is, when spring break is, when we're planning on having our carnival, when we're planning on having field day. You know, this is super helpful for parents when you're trying to plan work and get time off or plan vacations. You can get in here and find out all of that information. You click on this little drop down box, you can find out you can just scroll to any month you want, month and day, and go through and see what we have going on. There's also a print icon, so you can print the calendars out. Please remember that some of our events do change as we get into the school year. If you're a Google user, you can also link it to your Google Calendar, and those events will come right up for you. Scrolling down a little bit, there's a link to our Facebook page. You can subscribe to this blog, so if you put in your email address and subscribe, you will automatically get an email every time we update and add a new article. Google Translate is a great feature. If you need the articles in a different language, you just pick the language and it will automatically translate the post into another language for you. The other nice thing about blogs is that you can access all of the communication that we put in here for the whole school year. You can go back and find old Tuesday Newsdays, old posts about recognizing our kind kids throughout the months. You can search by keyword and find information you're specifically looking for. If you just scroll through, you can see all the different posts come up from the school year. Okay, if you click on a specific one, It'll bring up just that post for you. And give it just a minute to load, and you can see this is our Tuesday news day from May 22nd. My internet's going a little bit slow today, but it'll pull it up for you. Okay, and then you can see where you can like it. You can share it on Facebook. You can see the post before this, the post after this. Okay, so there's lots of great features to this for our families to be able to use and stay connected. We send this out through our parent link every week. We send the link to this through Parent Link, and if you are activated in our Parent View system, you will automatically be activated in our Parent Link. And what Parent Link does is it's a great resource when we push out mass notifications to parents. It goes through email, so if our buses are running late one day, we can push out an email that says, hey parents, buses are going to be 10 minutes late, we dismissed a little late. And everybody gets it automatically to their email. And you'll automatically be signed up for that once we get your Parent View accounts updated and activated. We head back to our Roadrunner page. If you check out our web page, you'll see lots of great resources. On the left-hand side, you're going to see announcements. We keep that updated for the month, what's going on that month. You see it's got our supply list for this month, bus schedules coming up for the school year, how to donate to tax credit, applications for free and reduced meals. Scroll down a little bit farther, and here's another place where you can view that calendar, so you can see events coming up for the whole year. It's the same calendar that's in the blogs, you just have multiple places to access it. We hope that this has been helpful and that we can stay connected with all of you this upcoming school year. We hope that you're having a wonderful summer, and we will see you soon.